Shit!
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing go.
So now we're still lost. And babalik kami sa car kasi sa end down ng street na to yung Airbnb. They're fighting with each other na.
Maganda yung view ng lake eh, no?
Nasa taas pala siya. Kaya hindi namin makita kasi nandun kami sa baba kanina. So I don't know where we are, but I think we're at Jindabyne Lake. No? Jindabyne Lake ba? The lake goes hanggang dun sa malayo. Oh, and we already bought groceries. Tapos ayusin lang namin mamaya and then magluluto siguro for dinner. Ikaw magluto?
No.
Ha?
Asan?
Kita ba doon? Let me take a photo. Okay, so now we're really going back to our room.
Just do, voice over.
No, kasi look.
Voice over.
We're here. Let's go inside na.
Password.
Nagkahepa mga to, di ba?
Nag-oxidize. Sa nila oh.
Ayaw pa ba sa sili pero
So we're assigned in cooking for tonight's dinner and lunch. So here they go, they went out. Tapos yun. Let's see.
pag-away ka gano'n, o hingal-hingal na eh, siya. Titigaw mo lang hingal.
6 hours later.
Good morning. Eh di nagsipaglasing kagabi. Kuya Jamari. But it's raining.
Uy, bukas na lang ko.
Tingin. Me too pala. Black and white.
Ayan o, 101.
Kuya Jamari din oh. You, why are you not wearing white? Oh, white. Bakit umuulan? Hindi nagsusnow daw, snowy.
Sino dabe?
Ako. Back to rent some jacket and pants. Ayan. We're here. We're lost.
Oh, di ba? Ready ako dahil.
Picture tayo tabi, sayang yung blush.
Good though.
Next time sa 160.
Got a Thredbo car. We're gonna to one ride coaster to the village square. Eh, but those are houses. It looks like yung sa movie, yung tirahan ni Santa Claus. Like a Christmas village or something. Excited. Anong feeling? Eh, it's not snow, it's ice. Yeah, excited oh. The one who is super excited to see the snow. I don't know why I wear these shoes. Now it's all wet. It's become windy. Me, I just bought green tea. Coffee, so tea. We're gonna do the Alpine coaster, which I don't know what exactly, pero pang exciting. Ay, ba't di naiwan? Dapat naiwan. Ha? I'll ask for separate. I don't want to sit with anyone. So, phones are not allowed daw. Kaya hindi ko mag-film. It was so fun. Ang bagal nga ni Tami, kailangan ko mag-stop. Oo.
Nag-yellow pa ako sa kanya.
So, yeah.
Nag-yellow pa sila eh.
Parang aso. Now at Switzerland. We are now at Perisher. Ganda ng pangalan, no? Perisher.
May noodles yata na. Masarap mo.
Saan? It's been so long
Ay, hindi na.
since
Pag mahangin
last
dun
na na-feel kong malamig. Hindi dun, ba't mahangin dun sa loob?
Masarap mo doon.
So in the end, we didn't get the chance to do snowboarding because we're running out of time. And it's not worth the pay if we're just rushing ourselves to. Kaya hindi na kami mag-snowboard. Pero maglalakad-lakad na lang kami sa snow. Oh, we can't go. We'll do it soon.
Oh, we failed today.
Yeah, because we've wasted a lot of time. So instead of snowboarding, we're just gonna do photo ops because we don't have a choice. Maybe we'll come back here next time. Na lang.
Oh, shit! Seriously? What? Head. My head is One try. Yeah. Okay. You.
Let's go. Going down and we'll probably go home now. I know we're doing groceries for dinner and for breakfast tomorrow. Oh, good. We're gonna find some fridge magnets, my collection, and keychain.
Si Kuya no.
We have some here too, diba?
Sabi ng babae kanina kay Kuya, no shoes.
Sabi? Tingnan mo kasi suot, naka-chinelas oh. I'll just find a keychain and fridge magnet. That's it. It's thin. No, they have. I saw there's a magnet like that too. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Ayun. May ikot kasi. Tapos tumitingin pala siya.
Oh, it's expensive.
These are the magnets, so. Boss will go home. Ay, do groceries pala. We're inside the car na and going to do groceries.
Yeah.
Just waiting for my cousins because they went to the butcher shop to buy meat for bulalo and lugaw tomorrow.
Yeah. Pakilang sinit eh.
A few moments later.
We're back! At we're back sa mga pagko-complain at kung ano.
Talaga? Kailan nagrugas ako? Sumabay.
Hoy, bakit we're all wearing black?
Eh, gusto ko daw kasabay eh. Ba't nagdireklamo ka ba? Gusto ko lang kasabay eh. Okay na.
Tita, cellphone ko.
Another session.
I think the rest of the world needs to learn a lesson. I just see this shit and it just makes
Oh, we just finished. See you tomorrow. Yan, alis na kami. Pero, may dadaanan pa kaming pasyalan yata.
Yes.
We're leaving.
We're leaving.
Extra.
Ay, kasama kang smart.
Oo.
Diyo.
Sige.
Bayaran mo ako.
Nagpag-gas lang kami. Tapos, diretso na sa Cooma. Our last stop for today. Tapos,
Cooma.
diretso uwi na.
Cooma.
Ewan ko kung ano meron dun eh. Park. No? Park.
CR.
Food. Oh, I don't know what we're gonna do here. God. So, ito lang pupunta natin dito. Ito.
Yung Tesla, ito pala yung ano lang ano.
Anong pangalan ba nito?
Ito siya sa Rizal.
Sir William Hudson.
Ito sa Rizal. Kasi Snowy Hydro. Nasa yung Hydro. Baka nga eh. Baka yun.
Anong Snowy Hydro?
Yung Hydro.
Baka yun lang yung pangalan nito.
Yung Hydro. Yung pangan. Dami no.
We don't know what we're gonna do here. Ano? Akit ka sa puno, picturean kita.
Kaso may ba tayo? Pero sure.
10 minutes film. Okay. I don't know where the girls are though. Okay, we're going inside. 10 minutes ha. You know mo. You know mo. Andyan lang pala kayo. Let's go, let's go.
We will...
Very clear water license obligation to deliver water for irrigation.
Gusto pa na.
They gave us away some, I don't know, information about the Snowy Hydro. No? Tapos na yung movie. Kung babayaran ko to, ibabalik ko to. Kasi... sa'yo na lang. Baka bayaran din. And guys, look. Their handwriting is so good. That one too. Yun lang.
Ito.
And now I think we're going home talaga. Kaya ba? Naman parang butterfly. Hindi ganun yan. Parang kang manananggal. We're gonna find somewhere to eat.
Ito, bar cafe. Nasaan na yun?
We're back, and I guess that's it for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Bye, peace.